Hi guys, Sam from Merry Home and Life. I hope you are well. I've had a few questions as to what made me add a fireplace in my bedroom. Now, if you followed me for a while, you would have seen that obviously on this wall, I did have one built in. Yeah, there we go, that way. I did already have one built in, but because of costs with renovations and everything else, it was just a plain in the wall one. And there's nothing wrong with that. But if you look back on my photos, the difference having this full-on suite in here is unreal. It's worth everything. But why? My main reasons why is the kitchen is the hub of the home for me, but also the bedroom. It's where we have family time, cozy evenings, cozy weekends, lay-ins. Well, no one has a lay-in as a parent, but you know what I mean. Chill in bed and watch some TV. So it adds that real cozy factor. Not only that, it also allows me to obviously heat one room, if that's, you know, predominantly where we're at, so obviously nighttime or whatever, it can be nice and cozy and I don't have to worry about turning on the whole heating around the whole house. But also, like, in regards to cost, the best thing that I look at it as in, one, this is an investment for me. It means that I get to enjoy a really gorgeous, lovely bedroom, feeling cozy, just feeling homely, do you know what I mean? But also, you've got to remember that if you was to sell your house, things like these are key selling points. So people will walk into a bedroom and be like, wow, that's nice. Obviously, it's not for everyone, that's fine. But the majority of people will always walk in and then be like, oh my God, that's nice. Wouldn't have thought of doing that, or, you know, something else. And whatever you spend on getting something in your bedroom, you will get back, because obviously that's a feature, that's all on there now. It's not something we would take with us. You could do, but it's not something that we would take with us. And that will come back in the price that we sell it for. So things like that, yes, they are obviously a cost, an initial cost, but one, you get to enjoy it. Two, obviously you get the joy of heating your home or your bedroom solely, making it all nice and cozy, and you will get that back when you come to sell your house. So basically, why would you not have a fireplace in the bedroom?